All right, welcome to the unboxing of my latest book. And here we go. A lot of cardboard in here. Nope, that's not it. Here it is. Praying Like the Early Church. This is my new book, just out, and I am super excited about this. And the first thing I have to do is thank my colleague, Robin Jensen, for permission to use the image on the cover. This is a photograph of a watercolor painting of an image in the Catacomb of Priscilla in Rome. This is the veiled woman. Might be Priscilla, but more likely it is a personification of the church at prayer. And you can see she is in the orans position, the position of a person at prayer, like the early Christians prayed. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got some blurbs on the back. Let's see. A profound and practical book that provides spiritual direction for the life ahead. Mike Aquilina. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate that. Here's one from Scott Hahn. Dr. Papandrea has devoted his life to the retrieval of ancient disciplines, from the reading of scriptures to the offering of prayers. With this book, he teaches us how to adapt these practices to ordinary Christian life today. Thank you, Scott. That's very nice of you. And this from Joe Heschmeyer. A fascinating insight into an under-examined aspect of early Christianity and an eminently practical help for the spiritual life of Christians today. It is utterly one of a kind. All right. Well, let's see here. We've got some more blurbs in the front here. Louis Ayres, another colleague in the world of patristics, early Christianity. Matthew Levering, another colleague. Teresa Tomeo, Matt Swaim. So got a bunch of blurbs in here. Very nice. I really appreciate that, all of you. So anyway, this is my new book. It is Praying Like the Early Church, 7 Insights from the Church Fathers to help you connect with God. This book is all about how the early Christians actually prayed in their personal and private devotional life. There's some stuff about liturgy and worship in here too, but it's mostly about how the early Christians actually prayed. And this book is the third in a kind of a series, starting with reading scripture like the early church, praying the Psalms, and now praying like the early church. So you get all 3. Working on a box set here. The next one will come out in a year or 2. We'll be praying like the mystics, but haven't started writing that one yet. So check out Praying Like the Early Church, just out. Get yours today. Thanks.